It is time to enjoy a warm, beautiful, sunny Memorial Day weekend. The perfect start to summer. It's cold out here.
Well, it might be golden streets, but it sure ain't up to me. So for now, I'd like to think this is all I'll ever need. The flower grew and did its thing without any guarantee. But don't forget that honey keeps after 1,000 years still sweet. After all my questions, one conclusion reached. Here and now, you and me puts my mind at ease. I don't know when I have the courage to believe in the words all of my love is immortality. After all my questions, one conclusion reached. Here and now, you and me puts my mind at ease. After all my questions, one conclusion.
Welcome to Utah, literally 3 days before June. But I'm not complaining. It is a brisk 32 degrees right now, and we are going to see temps in the 20s tonight, but that's not going to stop us from camping in what might just be Lakin and I's favorite mountain range in the entire United States, which is the Uintas. Now, I have to go back retrospectively and bring up one of our first videos that we made here in Utah. We actually came here to Christmas Meadows in the Uintas, and people gave me a lot of grief in the comments because I introduced the video by saying that we were in the Wasatch National Forest. So I'm going to go back now and say that yes, my pronunciation of that was incorrect, whatever. However, I was not incorrect about this being the Wasatch National Forest. It makes no sense that the Uinta Mountains, where we're at here, is in Wasatch National Forest. And then if you go to the Wasatch Range, there's parts of that that fall into the Uinta National Forest. It makes no sense, but I promise you I was not wrong about that. That was a stupid rant, when I should really just be enjoying the, the amazing scenery out here. Right now we're attempting to be a little bit quiet. You know, Lakin is always on the search of wildlife. So that's what we're looking for. We did see what we think were moose tracks in the parking lot. And this is heavy moose area, so maybe if we're lucky we'll see one.
Hey everybody, welcome to Animal Tracking with Lakin. Here we have a moose track. It looks just like the ice cream.
Yeah, that looks pretty definitive to me.
Yeah.
Very good spot.
Was that funny? Do you think my joke will land?
I don't know, it's a tough audience. think we need to take a moment to brag on the Uintas a little bit.
I'd rather not, because then people will come here.
Yeah, well, that's kind of what makes it special, is the fact that there's not a national park associated with the range, and there's parts of it that are just far enough removed from Salt Lake that you can find some solitude if you go looking for it out here, especially right now. Not a single other car parked at the trailhead, and that's how we like it.
Yeah. I'm not being serious though. You should come out and see it. It's beautiful.
You come out and see it, but don't tell anybody else about it. All right. Yep. All right. Now I'm curious if we'll have an opportunity to see how the woods built tent does under snow. Because I would not be surprised if we get some snow. In fact, I actually put a set of snow chains in the car because I just didn't know what to expect. So hopefully if we get snowed on overnight, this will be able to handle the load, but judging by how sturdy the struts are, I think it'll probably do okay. And then if it snows, hopefully we'll be able to, get out of here without getting stuck. So cool. I think it's gonna be pretty cozy tonight. We've got a lot of things to keep us warm, and I think they're gonna come in handy. All right, he's pretty distant and he's pretty dark, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to capture this with my camera and lens combination, but there is a beaver over there in the water, or at least on the bank. So, but once again, it's pretty dark, so we'll have to see if Lakin gets any good pictures. Right there, right next to Lakin in the frame. One thing I quite like about the woods built tent is the interior LED lighting. It's pretty nice, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, I think we're gonna turn in for the night. By that, I think we're gonna go up into the tent, get nice and warm, and maybe watch a movie or something, and then go to sleep for the night. So I think this is gonna be us turning off the camera for the night. Well, good morning. As I expected, it has clearly snowed quite a bit, 2 or 3 inches actually. I mean, 2 or 3 inches, by Utah standards, I guess isn't a ton, but by Utah, almost in June, quite a bit to me. But anyway, things worked out pretty well up in the Woods Built tent last night. We stayed nice and warm, despite the fact that it's definitely in the 20s right now. But yeah, stayed warm and comfortable. Slept decently well, actually. So now we're just gonna get things packed away and I think start exploring the Mirror Lake Highway. What did we do this morning?
We took a little walk. From our campsite, there's a second meadow that's just, not even a quarter mile up the trail. So we just walked up here to see if we could see anything, and there's no animals out right now, but it's still really pretty. So it's been nice.